This is a Bling Your Blog presentation with Sue Ann from Right Mix for Business. Our new series for Bling Your Blog is Blogging Tip of the Day. So hang on, here comes Sue Ann.
Work with it. Work with it. So here we go. Bling Your Blog blogging tip of the day, day 1. Hello and welcome. This is Sue Ann with Right Mix for Business, and today is day 1 for the new Bling Your Blog series called Blogging Tip of the Day. To kick the series off, I'm going to give you the best blogging tip ever. One you can snuggle up to, hold on to, and keep close forever. So, here we go. Bling Your Blog blogging tip of the day, day 1. Because even an editor needs an editor. So make sure you do one final read through before you hit publish. No one's perfect, but the extra effort to make less mistakes, especially the obvious ones, makes you look more professional and reflects well on your brand and your business. So you might not like to edit yourself, or you're sick of looking at the same piece, then ask a friend to edit for you. Maybe do a trade and edit for each other. Another idea is to schedule a day between your work completion deadline and your publish date. That way, you can do final edits with a fresher eye, fresher, friendlier eyes, right? Clean, mistake-free writing is what we want as professional bloggers and business owners, right? So remember, even an editor needs an editor. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel for the next blogging tip of the Bling Your Blog series. Take care, and thank you.